Hello there, this is Joseph Gray. In this video, we're going to discuss how to set up AVS user accounts. If you are an admin user, you will be able to log into AVS and under Company Profile, you'll be able to click on the Add User button here. And this is the screen that you'll see. All you need to do is put in the name of your colleague, first and last name, their title, position, their email address. Please use the user's mobile phone number because that's required for the two-factor authentication for them to be able to get into the system. Your options are to set up the Authy app on your mobile device, and that's free, and you can find it on the App Store, and that'll generate the Authy codes that you'll need to log into the system. Or there'll be a link when you log in, and if you click that link, it'll send the Authy code to the SMS of your mobile phone, and you'll get the code that way. The other important setting is the user role. If you want to set up another admin user, just go ahead and leave it as default admin. Those users will have access to the company profile section where they can also administer and add additional users. Under the company profile section, you also have the ability to go in and customize exports. And if somebody gets into that section and they don't know what they're doing and they mess up outputs that might cause problems for your agency, perhaps don't provide those particular users with the admin role. Instead, you can give them user role, and they won't have the ability to set up users, and they won't have the ability to get into customize export or even things like station mappings under company profile, which could be considered sensitive. But they will have access to creatives and reporting and dashboard. Now, if they have access to creatives, they can subscribe to additional brands and creatives. And if again you want to go ahead and provide somebody with more limited access, then they can at least get into reporting and dashboard sections of the product. They won't be able to get into company profile. They won't be able to get into creatives. So consider the user role and the permissions carefully. When you're done, go ahead and click submit. Your user will receive an email. It'll come from info@drmetrics.com, and they'll have a one-time use link. They'll be able to set up their credentials and then log into the system. Now, you can also list your users under Manage Users, and you'll see all of the users you have set up to date. Some of those users who successfully log into the system and authenticate will be shown here under status of green active. Those that for some reason have not either received the email or haven't gone ahead and authenticated into the system will be yellow not authenticated status. You can re-invite these users, and that'll cause them to receive another email from info@drmetrics.com. And also, you can always go in and edit any users that you currently have. You can change their mobile phone numbers, their email addresses, things like that, change their user roles if need be. You can also delete users over here. So there aren't any restrictions as it relates to setting up user accounts on AVS, but they do need to be users that are associated with your company, employees of your company. Third-party access is not allowed. So when you originally registered with DRmetrics, we took note of your email domain, and the system sort of locked to only being able to set up additional users that are on your same .com address. If for some reason you need to configure additional .com addresses for your company, like if you're changing your web address or something of that nature, go ahead and reach out to your DRmetrics salesperson and let them know. Anyway, that's all there is to setting up additional users. Thank you for watching.